Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your situation and outcome. Ngayong May, pagdating sa kakonect mo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo biging updated sa mga nangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin, pagdating po sa ating mga items. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Agad-agad. Oops. Oh, may nalaglag. Four of Wands in reversed. Ano tong gumay-gewang-gewang na to? Okay, tingnan natin. Anong situation ng mga Gemini? Situation with your person. The Five of Pentacles. What's with that? The Nine of Swords. Kumusta? Yun na lang ang aking sasabihin. Kumusta ka? Meron ditong takot na maiwan. Kaya parang, okay, sige. Binibigay na lang ng ibinibigay. Meron ditong nakakontrol. May nakokontrol or may nagpapakontrol na lang. Okay? The situation is not healthy. Not healthy. Ang daming takot, stress. Meron dito takot ngang iwan. Parang walang laban pagdating sa kung ano man. Okay? Anong meron sa person mo, Gemini? Sino ba to? The Queen of Wands. Oh. Somebody who is so attractive. Hindi ko alam kung ito ay pag-overthink lang. Kasi pwedeng meron ditong attractive. So it's like pag-overthink. Andun yung mga energy na TH. Ano po yung TH? Tamang hinala. So, the Queen of Wands, physically attractive. Judgment in reversed. Naririnig ko dito, meron siyang sariling rule. Okay, may sarili siyang rule. Okay. So, sabihin natin may pagka-independent yung person. Yeah. May pagka-independent. Anyway. Bakit ka natatakot? Bakit meron dito natatakot? So, siguro nga, may chance na pwedeng itong taong to is, you see them as somebody who's so independent. No? Andyan yung parang they can handle things by themselves. Parang mga ganyang bagay. So, it's like, yes, andyan yung maganda o pogi siya. Mga ganyang bagay. So, may takot ka na parang, baka mamaya umalis na lang siya bigla or whatsoever. Gagawin ko everything for them or for this person kasi mahirap na. Okay? So, may chance na pwedeng nakokontrol ka or vice versa or flip yung energy. Okay? Just, i-fit mo lang yung sarili mo sa kung anong situation meron. So, if hindi ka nakaka-resonate, then this is not your read. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba talaga yung emotion niya for you? The Sun in reversed. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Eight of Wands. Yeah, control ka niya. Control ka niya. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. You're letting them na kontrolin ka. Yes. hindi nagtutugmang action at ano nito. Sabihin nating emotion or action or salita. Actions at saka yung salita hindi tugma. Okay? Six of Swords, Days of Chalices in reversed. Marami ka pang pwedeng magawa eh. Kahit nandito ka sa connection na to. Yeah. Because marunong ka makinig. Marunong ka sumunod. Okay? So I think yung mga taong ganun, sabihin nating mas matapang. Parang ganun. Okay? Kasi hindi ko alam pagdating sa akin yung mga taong hindi marunong sumunod, yung sa tingin ko parang alam nila yung para sa kanila, sila yung sarado yung utak. Parang ganon. Okay, so sabihin nating unconditional ang gusto mo ibigay. Pero they're too conditional. Conditional. Ang nakikita ko rito. At pangat naman yung yung parang kailangan mo lang ako. Kailangan mo ko sundin. Okay? There's no balance. No? Walang balance eh. Parang hindi ka iniintindi nitong taong to kung ganun. Ikaw iniintindi mo siya. Sabihin natin, yeah, malawak ka. Pero sila hindi. Nakikita mo sila na pwedeng, yes, kaya niya to, kaya niya yan. Kasi pwedeng sa'yo lang niya rin nagagawa yon. Sa'yo lang niya pwedeng gawin. Kasi ikaw lang yung pwedeng sumusunod. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Some of you, itong taong to, ginagamit lang niya yung physical looks. Okay? To control you. To manipulate. Malay mo, yun lang naman ang kaya niya. Yun lang ang kaya niya i-provide. Anyway. I can't. So, ayoko ng ganong reading. Sana maging okay na kayo. Yeah, the devil. Too toxic. Oo. Masyadong toxic intindihin. What else for you, Gemini? Situation in love. And let's see anong outcome ninyo bago mag-end ang May. Gemini, situation. The King of Wands. The Lovers. Somebody is too passionate. Pero some of them, hindi sila open for relationship, I think. Some of you, meron kayong parang, interest sa isa or sa situation, no? Meron ditong interested pero hindi nakikisang-ayon ng sitwasyon. I think the Lovers in reverse. Pwedeng gusto mo siya pero hindi kayo pwede. The Sun in reverse. I don't know if this is a secret affair. Secret, hidden affair. Merong communication dito, actually. This is like tagong connection. So, doon pa lang, kung hindi ka na naka-resonate, then this is not your reading. So, what's the energy of the person? Let's see. The Five of Chalices in reversed. The Nine of Wands. Siya po yung nag-heal sa akin. The Ten of Swords, yeah. The High Priestess. In reversed. Siya po yung naghihil sa akin eh. Kahit kami po ay tago, masaya po kami. Nakapag-provide siya ng happiness sa akin. The Three of Pentacles in reversed. The Three of Swords. This is Kabechua. This is side dish, no? Energy. A secret affair. It is. Okay, so some of you nasa situation ka na parang hindi maganda, dinadagdagan mo pa ng hindi pa magandang energy. Yes. Ano bang emotion niya for you? Let's see. The High Priestess in reverse. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Nine of Chalices in reversed. Codependency. The Three of Wands. So meron tayong angel number for you. 333. Okay. So emotion is puro ganyan-ganyan lang. Walang action. Hindi niya kayang panindigan ka. Okay? Hindi kanya kayang ipaglaban, panindigan, or kung ano man. It's like, okay, nasa sarili tayong mundo. Meron tayong sariling mundo. Tayo lang nandito. So, kayo lang yung nagkakaintindihan. Parang ganon. Pero kapag lumabas na kayo sa inyong mundo, wala na. Ang pangit, no? Yeah. Struggles. Ang hirap ng ganito. Ay. Parang kailangan nyo munang bumalik ulit doon sa sarili nyong mundo para sumaya. Tapos, kapag okay na, okay, alis na ulit tayo. Doon na ulit tayo sa ating normal na mundo. Oo. Tingnan natin outcome nyo. The Devil. Hindi naman malayo. Some of you, this is sabihin natin lang. SEX. Yeah. Six of Swords in reversed. Sabihin natin magpo-provide pa to ng something na parang mahirap alisan. This is addictive. Gemini. This is addictive. Yes. Judgment in reverse. Mahirap kang alisan to. Kahit sabihin na parang alam nyo namang hindi mag-workout. Some of you, bago mag-end ang May, meron na namang mangyayari. Yeah. Meron na namang mangyayari. And hanggang dun lang. Hanggang dun lang. Two of Wands in reverse. Pwede magkikita muli kayo, magsasama muli kayo ng taong to. Punta naman kayo ulit doon sa sarili nyong mundo na kayo lang dalawa ang nakakaalam. Okay? So, wala akong nakikita dito na stepping up, leveling up. Yeah. As is. Secret affair. Wala pa akong nakikitang energy ng pwedeng mabunyag to or pwedeng malaman ng ibang tao or whatsoever. It's like tago. Tago. Okay, so wala akong nakuhang energy na pwedeng may mangyaring maganda or paglaban or whatsoever. Okay? Let's see. Aries through Pisces for you, Gemini. Okay, Aries. They're kind. Taurus, they want another chance. Gemini, selfishness. This is selfish. Cancer, there's a stop, a halt, like a pause. Or kailangan mong mag-stop muna with this Cancer. May mangyaring ending maybe. So Leo, they want you interested. Virgo, gusto niya mayroong mangyaring leveling up pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Ito ni Virgo. Libra, this could be third party involved or pwedeng meron ditong ma-friend zone. Scorpio, unfinished business. It's like a block. Lalo na pagdating sa pera mo. Okay? Could be vice versa. Or flip yung energy. So, Sagittarius, they're healing. Capricorn, they're invested. Or maybe you are interested into this person, this Capricorn. Aquarius, expect kung ano yung hindi mo na-expect dito kay Aqua. Pisces, they're turning. They want to return. They want to come back. Some of them, di pa sila move on. Okay, they can't. Yeah. They can't drop this. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.